Today we are constructing a simple DC motor. We have 1.5 volt battery, we have one magnet, we have one ring and two safety pin and a rubber band. With this we will construct a simple DC motor. So we will take. So now our motor is running. So what is a principle here is that whenever we place conductor, current carrying conductor in magnetic field, it experiences force. Actually, since we have made the coil circular, that force becomes torque. So the coil is rotating. Okay, now we can explore a toy motor removed from a children toy. Here two curved permanent magnets, an armature, and we will assemble that. So we are assembling. So it is fitting into the core. Now magnet, armature fit. Now we will attach the cap and brush, cap which contains brush. So now we have attached the brush. Now it is rotating, giving power supply. Still we can connect a fan and we can check that rotation. Give the power supply. The fan is rotating beautifully. So we had that homemade motor possible.